Hi everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch. If this is your first time, my name is Ruth Kwamby. This channel is all about healthy juices, smoothies and a bit of travel. And before we go on, please make sure you support this channel by hitting that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and you'll always be the first to get notified when we have a new video coming in. And for those who already subscribed and are watching all the videos, welcome back to another video. Just from the title of this video, I'm going to show you how to make a refreshing juice with just 3 ingredients. It's not only refreshing, but it's also packed with vitamins like vitamin C and other nutrients. It's full of antioxidants and very good for our body system, very good for our skin and other many benefits. Wow, so this is our juice. You guys, it's so nice. Wow, you need to try this. It's so, I can just feel the taste of it. It's such a nice, tasty and sweet. It's just the natural sweetness. It's just so good. Make sure you try this out. Pineapples are very beneficial. If you didn't watch how to make pineapple juice, I'll put a link up here. Please check the benefits of incorporating pineapples in your diet, and also carrots. If you have not checked out the juice on how to make carrot juice, please make sure check it out. I also put a link, and also I put a link in the description box below for all the juices separately that I've made before. And now I'm doing just a combination. You guys, by the way, the best way you can take your juices and vegetables is just to have a mix of fruits and vegetables together, and you're going to have very nice refreshing juices. So make sure you try this juice out that contains carrots, pineapples and oranges. Very high in vitamin C, antioxidants, and it's very beneficial for our skin and our body, our digestion and all that. Please make sure you try this juice out. Please make sure to leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about it once you try it out, and share your benefits so that we can also benefit from it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying with me. I hope you like this video. Please, if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.